Hey, I'm Caleb Bulku, and in this video, I'm going to talk about clients who don't like content on their website. The client that maybe you had before who uses apple.com as an example of the website design they like. They want minimum words, clean, minimalistic. The trouble is, of course, that Google needs content to know what your website's about. Unless, of course, you're Apple, right? Google knows what Apple is because there are plenty of other sources of information about Apple. Your client has less information about them online than Apple does, most likely. So your client needs content. I hear from clients all the time. I don't want all that content on my homepage or my category page or product page or whatever page it happens to be. Can we hide that content? Can we make it the same color as the background? Can we put an image over it? Can we hide it with a JavaScript pop-up? The answer to all of those questions is no. No, we cannot. Years ago, Google used to crawl the internet by reading source code. It doesn't do that anymore. Back then, in the halcyon days of Google reading source code, those tricks to hide content would in fact work. You could have a homepage full of content that Google saw, but your users wouldn't. Now today, Google renders every single page in the most recent version of Chrome. So if you hide text from your users, you're also hiding that text from Google. At my agency, we actually split tested this, and we've shown that hidden content has effectively no impact on SEO. Don't waste your time with it. The text has got to be visible. And additionally, the higher the text is on a page, the more impactful it is. This is why, when you're looking for a recipe, you need to scroll through 2,000 words before you actually get to see the recipe, even though you don't care about the history of turmeric. It's generally best for user engagement to put what they're looking for on top and the content below. So if it's an e-com category store, because the users are there to look at products, they don't want to sift through a 1,000-word blog post. As I said, it should be the same with recipes, right? The recipe should be on top, not buried beneath that 2,000-word article about the history of turmeric. You only want to give the users what they want to see so that they have a good experience, so that they engage well with the site. But you still need that content for Google, and it must be visible. For an e-commerce store, we generally put the content right above the footer, even on the category page. For a lot of categories, Wayfair does an excellent job of this. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of a category page on Wayfair, you might find a 1,500-word blog post. So maybe there'll be some big slick images, some short blurbs, some fun graphics, and then after all of that, a big old block of content, because the homepage is the most powerful URL on a domain. And if you're not trying to rank the homepage for something, it's a waste. Okay, so get content on there. Don't try to hide it. If you are trying to hide it, you're just wasting your time. I hope you found value in this video. Give it a like if you did in the comments below. I'll have a guide coming out that breaks down exactly how I built a 7-figure SEO agency, so don't miss that one. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications.